We started a Dawah organization with a budget of $80 a month, $1,000 a year. I told my father, you give so much thousands of dollars in charity, give me $80 a month. He agreed. We started in 1991. In a few years, we became the largest and had the biggest budget in the private Dawah organization in the world. There's no private Dawah organization in the world which even has 10% of our budget. Because for us, money is not the most important. Unfortunately, most of the Muslim organizations, money is everything for them. I say if money is important, it's the least important. If 10 important things are there, 10th is money. Not the first, not the second, not the third, not the fourth, not the fifth. Wealth is a fitna. If Allah gives you wealth, how you spend it is important. And that reminds me of Sheikh Solomon Raji. You might have heard of Sheikh Solomon Raji. He's a very charitable person, maybe as rich as Bill Gates, mashallah. And he's very close to me. He told me that in his waqf, he wrote in his waqf, anyone who's my trustee, he's a billionaire. $20 billion waqf he gave, $20 billion and much more. Only one waqf. That any trustees, if they travel with my trust money, will travel only in economy class. And when he travels at the age of 80 also, he travels in economy class. So he told me once I went to the ticket counter, and the ticket person said, your son is traveling in first class, you travel in economy class. He said, my son's father is a rich man, my father was a poor man. So this is the reason Sheikh Solomon Raji became Sheikh Solomon Raji. But today most of the guys want to travel in business class. If you don't give business class, they don't want to come. And unfortunately, most of the Muslim organizations have to comply with it. We have a policy, we don't give business class at all. Want to come, or they don't come. All. Not that we can't afford it. We are the biggest organization in the world. Only one conference we spend $5 million. But we give economy class. Why? Israf. And guys give me excuses why I want business class. I've got thrombocytopenia. Long flight disease. Long flight is a misnomer. I'm a doctor. You don't require a business class. You take an aisle seat and the problem is solved. Business class is not the solution. So if we know how Allah has given us money, we should know how to spend it, should not do israf. Allah has blessed us, I can travel in the first class. I always travel in economy. Once there was an arrest point against me, so there was no ticket. So once in my lifetime only I purchased a business class. That's the different thing. Allah blesses me and upgrades me most of the time. They recognize me, Sheikh, come to business class. That's different, it's complementary. We can afford it. Allah has given us wealth, I can afford a Rolls Royce. We travel in a Toyota, Innova. This is Allah gives you wealth and Allah checks how you spend it. When I go to a hotel, in my full life, I've never spent more than $100 or $110 for a room. Never. Not that I can't afford. I can afford $10,000 a day. Allah is testing us. Allah is giving wealth and seeing how you're spending it. We spend on what? Cameras. That camera is my Rolls Royce. Each camera costing $300,000. That's my Rolls Royce. Each camera costing $300,000. That's my Rolls Royce. Allah gives you wealth. Allah checks where do you spend it. For dawah. So this is a test. Wealth is a big fitna. Allah checks how do you spend it. If Allah made you the biggest organization, do you buy a car for yourself? No. We spend. Oh, it's everywhere. I travel with my own ticket. And I tell no one should charge ticket for my lecture. Otherwise I won't come. If you charge, I won't come. I pay for one ticket. I say I will pay for my own hotel. If they force and they insist the hotel owner doesn't take money, that's a different thing. We set standards. This is a test. And the bigger the die the test, bigger the test. Oh, more followers, now more test. So we pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in tahajjud. Every day, let not the Satan get the better of us. Let not the popularity come into your head. Not the wealth come into your head.